Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this must-have accessories from XREAL, which is called XREAL Beam. This is a must-have accessory guys if you already own its AR glasses. In my previous videos I've already done the unboxing and review of this AR glasses from XREAL. If you have not seen that video guys, I will put the link of the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So in this video I will be going through what are the functions and features which this has to offer and how do you connect it to your XREAL augmented reality glasses and what are the functions and features which this has to offer along with this glasses. So this is a must-have accessory guys. I highly recommend to watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, before going through the functions and features which this has to offer, let's quickly unbox this and see what is there inside. So whenever you purchase this, it comes in this white box with one side marked as label with the barcode and the branding from XREAL. On the small letter it says XREAL Beam. It is compatible with XREAL Air glasses, spatial display, augmented reality glasses, portable monitor, gaming, streaming and productivity. It is compatible with PC, Android, iOS and consoles. It comes with a QR code to scan for the app. So that is what you have on the top of the box. Let's quickly open this. Inside the box you can see it comes in two packages. One is XREAL C cable and XREAL Beam itself. So let's quickly take them out. This is one box and this is another. So let's quickly see one by one what is there inside the boxes. So let's quickly start with this cable box. Onto the top you can see it is a USB type C to USB type C cable. It is marked here with the black imprint. Onto the side you have an XREAL branding. This is type C to type C cable. On the other side there is nothing more. Onto the back side what it says is that it is USB type C cable. The model number is X7001. The length is 0.8 meters. It is printed in different languages. So that is what you have, and you have the certifications and the barcode onto the side and the branding of XREAL onto the back. So that's what you have onto the top of the box. Let's quickly open this. To open this you have a strip onto the top that you take it out just like this, and then you can open it from the top just like this. So as you can see inside there is nothing more than the cable. Let's keep the cable out. As you can see this is type C to type C cable. This is very similar cable that came along with the glasses. It is same as fabric braided, and then on the top there is a rubber like feeling on the type C connector, and then you have metal type C connector on the both sides. It's not angular connector, but these are all straight connectors that came along with this XREAL Beam. So this is what you have inside the box. Let's quickly see the other one. So the other one, as you can see, is an XREAL Beam itself. It comes with the XREAL Beam design onto the top so that you know that this is the machine that came along with it. Onto the back side, as you can see, you have a serial number and the barcode, and you have a branding from XREAL, an XREAL branding here. It says that the brand is XREAL, name is XREAL Beam, the model is NR8101AGL. The input voltage that it works is 12 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 3 ampere. It is made by Mixed Reality Technology Limited, and the address which is there in China. So that is what it is. This device may operate in all member states, local region devices with indoor use. This is for indoor use only, and it comes with DTS:X, powered by DTS:X Ultra. So that is what you have onto the sides. Onto the top it says XREAL Beam. Onto the other side there is nothing more. Onto the box, let's quickly open this and see what's inside. To open it you have to cut it from the sides. Let's do that. So that is how you open the box. Now let's quickly take the cover out. So this is how it looks like inside when you first open it. This is the machine itself, and it is covered in the plastic, and then you have a lifting flap onto the side. So this is what you have. First, we'll keep this aside for now. Let's see what else is there inside. I think you have the documentation. Let's open this as well. So inside this you get the user guide, disclaimer and safety and warnings, and the warranty card. That is what you have inside. So if you want, you can go through it on how to set this up, what is what. This is both in English and Chinese. So if you want to go through it, we will look at the functions and feature in this video itself. So for now, I'll keep this aside. There is nothing more inside the box. We'll keep that aside too. And let's see the machine itself. As you can see, it came nicely packed inside the plastic so that it prevents it from the damages when it is transported. Onto the back side, it comes with the branding, which is XREAL Beam. The input voltage, like I told you before, is 12 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 3 ampere. It comes with an internal battery which is of 4870 milliampere hour or 18.84 watt hour. The model number is NR8101 AGL. And then you have some of the safety marking, branding, and the address where it was manufactured. Onto the top you can see there is a circle, center button, other button, you have the indicator light. Onto the side you have the volume rocker, plus and minus. There is one orange button onto the side, and then you have power onto the top. As you can see, when you press this silver line, that is how you turn on and turn off. So that is what it is used for, and it is also the grill for blowing out the hot air. So that is what it does as well. So let's quickly open this as well and see. This is really heavy, guys, but it is sturdily built. This is nice to feel in the hand. It is matte finish, rubber finish like material, but it is more like plastic. This is the back button, this is the directional button, and this is the OK button. And then you have power onto the top, plus and minus rocker onto the side, and then you have an orange button. We'll see what it does. Onto the back side you have a latch to maybe add some accessories to hold it off to your hand. So that is what it is used for. This is not included inside the packaging. And then you have the glass connector. As you can see, it is marked with the glasses. And then you have input or the charging port. So this is where your input signal of the video goes, or you can directly connect it to this device and use it, and you can use the other port for charging this device as well. So that is also something really nice. So the internal battery of this device really goes for like 3.5 hours. So if you want to have longer session with your glasses, you can always keep it connected to the charging port and then use the glasses independently. So what this device does is basically gives you some additional features and functions which we will go through in a minute. So this is how it looks like. So let's quickly power this up and connect it to the glasses and see what are the functions and features which this has to offer. So guys, to connect this onto your glasses, first you need your glasses and connect it to the USB Type-C cable that came along with it. So as you know, the cable that came along with the glasses has one angular side and one is for the input. So this will go on to the input side of your XREAL Beam, and this will go on to the glasses. So that is how we connect it. Onto the glasses, as you know, there is a USB Type-C port. So that is where we will connect. We'll connect it till we get a nice click, just like this. Once you hear the click, you know that your cable is secured, and the other side go to XREAL Beam. Onto the XREAL Beam, it will go onto the side where it is marked with the glasses. So that is the input or output port of your XREAL Beam, and the other part will go with the charging cable. This is the cable that came along with it, both sides straight. This is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So This part can go now either to the phone or the devices from which you're going to output the signal, or you can use it to charge your XREAL beam. So that is how it works. As you can see, as soon as you connect, you get the light turned on. So this will tell you the charging level of your XREAL beam. As you can see, it is half light, so it is 50% charged almost. So we will see right now inside the glasses how does it look like and how to set this up. So guys, once you first boot your XREAL beam, this is the branding logo that it comes with. So from here onwards guys, I will also tell you how to set this up for the first time. So this is the XREAL beam branding logo. What you get once you first boot up your XREAL beam. This is what you see through your glasses. It will take some time to boot your system. First thing, as you can see on the screen, it will ask you for the language. So depending upon the location, you can select the language using the dark circle that you have. You can push down and up to select and scroll through the language. For now, I am going to select language as English for me. Hit the center button to confirm. As you can see on the screen, it says OK and then directional button. That is what you have it here. So let's click the center button to select and confirm the language. Once you confirm the language, it will ask you for the country. Depending upon the location, you can select your country as well. So I will select United States for now. And then it will give you some privacy policy and licensing and agreement. So you need to agree to proceed further. Click on agree. Then it will ask you to connect it to the Wi-Fi. For now, I will select my Wi-Fi and key in my password. So it will give you this screen to type in your password. Let me quickly type my password for the Wi-Fi. Once you submit your password, as you can see, it is connected to the Wi-Fi and it will take you to the next screen. As you can see, this is the walkthrough on how to connect it, and it will walk you through all the controls as well. All you need to do is hit bottom arrow to navigate through this walkthrough or tutorial of your XREAL beam. So as you can see, first, as of now, it says that on the top you have the power button and the LED indicator, which gives your battery level as well. And then on the right side you have volume plus and minus. At the bottom you have your two USB type C port. On the right you have to connect your glasses. On the left side it is for charging or your external source. On the left side, the orange button is for the mode switch. As of now you have three options. With this XREAL beam, you have body anchor. That means your screen will be fixed in the space irrespective of the direction you're looking. Smooth follow, that means you have the screen always in front of you, whichever direction you look, and you move your face, the smooth screen will follow and stay always in front of you. And then you have a side view. It basically converts your screen into 4 equal spaces, and then you can put your screen, the content, on one of those 4 faces, and you will have the 3 space free so as to see through your environment or the place where you are. For the screen adjustment, you can adjust the screen size and position as well, and you can recenter the screen by long pressing this orange button. For the back button, single back will take you to the back menu and long press will take you to the home screen. So that is what it says here. And then, as I have told you before, for connecting the glasses, you have to use the right side USB type C port. It is marked with the glasses, so that is how you need to connect. And to the left side, either you are connecting it to the charger or to your gaming console or any video output device that supports USB type C video output. So cast anything onto your XREAL beam, you need to ensure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network, and then you have an option normally on the application or on your phone or your device to cast it. The casting application icon is shown onto the left, so that is how it should look like, and then you can select the XREAL beam and the casting will be directly onto your glasses. So that is how it works. So once you have finished the tutorial, it will take you to the home screen. You have the user guide again, just in case you want to walk it through again. And then you have screen mirroring guide. So screen mirroring guide is nothing more than the same thing. It will walk you through on how to connect to different type of devices, Apple devices, Android devices, or Windows devices. Once you click on one of these, it will give you a tutorial on how to connect it. You can hit back button. So depending upon the type of device you have, you can select and go through the tutorial to know how to mirror the screen. So that is what it is. On to the top, you have the date and time and the charging level. Below that, you have the Bluetooth option, just in case you want to pair up your Bluetooth headphones and things like that for the better audio. So that is what it has. If you want to switch to another Wi-Fi, this is the place you want to go to. And then you have the settings. Inside the settings, you have few options like DTSX. This is the sound effect that you have for the left channel and the right channel, just in case you want to enable this. Once you enable this, guys, it will start draining more power because it is going to process the audio through the processor. So it will drain up your battery faster, just in case you want to enable it. You have depth display. What this means is it gives you the sense of depth for the options, just like 3D movies. So that is what it is. Just in case you want to enable, it will ask you to restart the system. You have application storage, language, schedule shutdown. This is your idle time. Just in case you are not using for 15 minutes, the system will shut down automatically. Then you have a device name, and then this is the place where you can update the software for the system. So that is what it is. You have the reset option, you have the launcher code, privacy policy, software and license agreement, and then you have the XREAL Beam serial number and system version. So that is what you have as of now inside the settings. So this is it, guys. This is what you have inside the XREAL Beam for now. In my future videos, guys, I will also tell you how to hack this and add more application. As it says on the home screen, the more application is coming soon, but you can definitely install more application as the backend of this XREAL Beam is running a full Android system. So ensure that, guys, you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on my future videos. So this concludes this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.